It's Annie.
Well,
And I'm sorry that the lighting is so bad. We're in my hallway right now because we don't have anywhere else to go. I know it looks bright, but it's not. So this one is just like trying sound effects and stuff. So we're gonna add music, and it doesn't matter if it works or not. That means I'm just not gonna have music in the background. So
bye
we're
guys.
just
Y'all are gonna probably hear music, so bye.
and I'm sorry that and yeah, bye.